Guys, one of a kind, custom built, all steel Volkswagen pickup truck. That is a full convertible. This stop comes off. It's been in storage for about 10 years, and it's a rat rod. It comes with the Volkswagen 1300cc motor, not installed. It's all steel. There's so much custom fabrication, including the bolt-on wire wheels, the hub adapters, the custom frame. These are the new headlight shells, chrome. If you're looking for a one-of-a-kind show truck that I guarantee nobody else will have, this is the one. It looks dirty because it's been in storage for 10 years and I just don't have the time to finish it. It's it makes me smile every time I look at it. There's, again, so much fabrication that goes into this build. It's got nice gauges, all steel floor. Like I said, there's no filler, there's no Bondo here. It's all steel, and all it needs is the engine to put back in. And if you want to paint it, it would look great. Or you can drive it like this as a rat rod. Yes, it has Ontario ownership, and it comes with Ontario ownership. It's a private sale. If you need more information, please contact me, but I guarantee that you will not be disappointed. Right, Coach? This is a one-of-a-kind show truck. Now, these are real wire wheels. These are not hubcaps. These are bolt-on, custom done, I think by Dayton in Ohio. Again, this is all steel. Yeah, it's got surface rust. And of course, you can use it like that, or you can have it sandblasted, powder coated. The choice is yours. But everything is there. Again, if I didn't need to buy a cottage, I would never sell any of my toys. But like I said, I'm asking very reasonable price for it. And I'm looking for a Volkswagen enthusiast who wants a one-of-a-kind custom build show truck that is also a convertible. Again, this top comes off. I believe it's, oh, it's steel. It's all steel.